Hello everyone, once again welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite Filipino party foods, and that is none other than pork giniling or ground pork and vegetable stew. And this is not going to be only delicious but also healthy because we will cook it the paleo way. Let's get started. And for this dish, we're going to be using a deep saucepan or a wok. If you have a wok or karahay, then you can use it as well. And my saucepan here is already nice and hot. What I'm going to do at this point is to add my extra virgin olive oil and extra virgin coconut oil combo. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of this combo here. And we will let it melt. And now my oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in my minced onion. And that's a lot of onion. It's 1 whole big onion that I have minced. We're going to season it with salt. And this looks like a lot, but they're going to wilt pretty soon. So we're just going to let this sweat. And now that our onion is turned translucent, we're going to add our minced garlic. This is lots of garlic as well. This is 1 whole ball that I have minced. It's quite a lot. You know, when I cook, I don't really skimp on my ingredients, especially the ones that could really enhance the taste of my dish, such as garlic and onion and whatnot. And then we will wait until we could actually smell the aroma from the garlic. That means they have wilted and cooked. And now that my garlic has released its fragrance, I'm going to add my minced tomatoes. These are 2 big tomatoes, by the way. Now after my tomatoes are in, I'm going to add my chopped carrots. And my carrots here is about 1 cup. And now that we have added our carrots, we're going to add our ground pork. And this is about 2.2 pounds of premium ground pork. So what I'm doing here is actually breaking up my ground pork and try to mix it thoroughly with my vegetables here. And at this point, what I'm going to do is to add my 3 tablespoons of premium fish sauce. I'm just going to pour it all over my pan here. Try to spread it out. Give it another stir. And at this point, what I'm going to do is to add half a cup of water in it. Because we need to cook up our ground pork here, and adding water in it will actually expedite the process. And now we can really mix it more conveniently. And then I'm going to add more salt in it. Just a pinch for now. And we will taste it later on if we need more salt. Now before I will cover this and simmer, I will put in my bay leaves. Just about 4 pieces of them. And I'm also going to sprinkle in here my 1 teaspoon of annatto powder. This is for some nice color that we need in this dish. Just going to give it a mix. At this point, what we're going to do is to cover our pan here and let this come to a boil and simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes. And that would be about enough time to cook up our ground pork here. And we'll be right back. This has been simmering for 10 minutes. At this point, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. First, our 30 grams of raisins. We need this for a little bit of sweetness in our sauce. And now I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of chopped butternut squash. So in case you're wondering, I'm using butternut squash here as a substitute for potatoes, because potatoes are not paleo friendly, whereas butternut squash is. We're going to give this a mix. And I'm also going to add 1 chopped red bell pepper. I'm going to season it with salt again. And I will crack fresh pepper on it. And we will toss it. And we will cover this again to cook our butternut squash. Now this has been simmering for 4 minutes and our butternut squash is now cooked. At this point, what I'm going to do is to add my 1/2 cup of green peas. And I'm also going to sprinkle my chili pepper here, which is optional, just for added zing. I like it with a bit of kick. And I will give it a final stir. And we're going to taste it for salt. I need just a pinch more. And one final stir here after adding more salt. And finally, our pork giniling or ground pork and vegetable stew is now cooked and ready to serve. Turn off the heat. We're back here with our final product, our pork giniling or ground pork and vegetable stew. And I'm gonna taste it right now. It's really delicious, so savory with a hint of sweetness coming from the raisins and vegetables. I hope you enjoyed what I shared with you today, and hopefully you will try cooking it in your own kitchen, and feel free to write down your thoughts at the comment section below. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.